farms consist of numerous mobile phones connected to automation software to perform repetitive tasks on a large scale. These devices can be used to click on ads, inflate app usage statistics, generate fake likes and views, and carry out other fraudulent activities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Phone farm is a physical location where criminals force repeat actions such as ad views, clicks, registrations, installs, and in app engagement to create the illusion of legitimate activity, draining advertising budgets. Cyber criminals are increasingly setting up phone farms to exploit various digital platforms for malicious activities. Phone farm is a collection of mobile devices used in bulk to automate and manipulate online actions, posing significant threats to businesses and individuals alike. The modus operandi by the cybercriminals by using phone farms are: number one, ad fraud. By automating clicks on ads, cybercriminals generate revenue through fraudulent ad impressions and clicks. Number two, social media manipulation. Phone farms can create fake engagement on social media posts such as likes, shares, and follows, skewing analytics and influencing public perception. Number three, app store rankings. Artificially inflating the number of downloads and positive reviews for apps to manipulate app store rankings. Number four, credential stuffing. Automatic login attempts across various platforms using stolen credentials to gain authorized access to accounts. Businesses lose substantial amounts of money due to fraudulent ad impressions and clicks. Companies may incur higher costs for server bandwidth and storage due to artificial traffic generated by phone farms. Second most important is the automated credential stuffing can lead to unauthorized access to sensitive information, increased risk of account takeovers, and misuse of personal information. It results skewed engagement matrix and app rankings can mislead businesses and consumers, affecting decision-making processes. Going forward, legitimate businesses may struggle to compete against artificially inflated metrics. Let's look into today's headlines. Google to allow users monitor the dark web completely for free. Google is planning to expand its dark web monitoring service to all users with a Google account starting at the end of this month. This feature will monitor the leakage of stolen information such as phone numbers and physical addresses of Google One subscribers and will now be available at no additional cost. The service will be integrated at the end of July in the Results About You section of Google. AMD to expand its enterprise AI solutions globally with acquisition of Silo AI. AMD has announced the signing of a definitive agreement to acquire Silo AI, the largest private AI lab in Europe. The agreement represents another significant step in the company's strategy to deliver end-to-end AI solutions based on open standards and in strong partnership with the global AI ecosystem. The Silo AI team consists of world-class AI scientists and engineers with extensive experience developing tailored AI models, platforms, and solutions. Amid growing scrutiny, Microsoft and Apple drop OpenAI board seat plans. In a surprise decision that underscores growing regulatory scrutiny of big tech's influence over artificial intelligence, Microsoft Corp and Apple Inc. have dropped plans to take board roles at OpenAI. Microsoft, which invested $13 billion in the ChatGPT creator, will withdraw from its observer role on the board. Apple was due to take up a similar role, but now won't have board observers after Microsoft's departure. Shiprocket and Snowflake to empower 1.5 lakh merchants to scale their data infrastructure. Snowflake has announced that Shiprocket has successfully deployed on Snowflake's AI data cloud. This empowers Shiprocket to streamline data operations, gain real-time insights, and deliver an enhanced customer experience for its vast network of merchants. Shiprocket's 1.5 lakh merchants now have faster access to data to allow businesses to make data-driven decisions quickly, gaining a competitive edge. Additionally, the cloud-based nature of the AI data cloud allows merchants to scale their data infrastructure effortlessly. RBI alarms over growing number of illegal accounts. The Reserve Bank of India is concerned about the fact that some banks have lakhs of accounts that are being used for fraudulent transactions and evergreening loans. RBI Deputy Governor Swaminathan J said that one area that has come into sharper focus in the last couple of years is the control and management of internal accounts. Internal accounts are high risk in nature on account of its potential for misuse. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.